Hello, to set alarm clock on your Samsung Galaxy A06, first we have to go into our clock application, right here, and we have to go into the alarm category, and then we have to hit the plus icon, and right here we have a bunch of different options. We can set at which time the alarm should go off, we can set the days, at which day it should ring. Here we can change the alarm name. Next we have the sound of the alarm, and we can turn on the sound if you want to go off alarm with sound. Here also we can toggle the vibration and our snooze. We can change also the sound of our alarm. We can also set some songs from Spotify as our alarm sound. We can change the type of vibrations, and we can customize our snooze if you want it to interval with 5 minutes and how many times it should repeat. And we can also change the alarm background. We can set our background as a picture. We can change the widget, the looks of our clock, and yeah, just like that. Here we can also change the background to any other background and some pictures. Yeah, so we press done, and as we're done with our alarm, we're done with customizing it, we simply press save, and just like that we have our alarm set up. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.